Hello everyone, welcome back to the Salesforce Help channel. Today I'm super excited because we are exploring a hot new certification, the Salesforce AI Specialist Certification. This is not just any certification, it's your gateway to mastering Salesforce AI power tools. And in this video, I'll tell you everything about the certification exam, its pattern, what topics it will cover, and strategies to prepare. So what's this Salesforce AI Specialist Certification all about? This new certification is released for individuals who want to become experts in Salesforce AI solutions. We know that AI is rapidly transforming how business operate, and this certificate will help you in harnessing the AI capabilities of Salesforce like Einstein. And Salesforce has already made it clear that they intend to take AI seriously when they release the AI Associate Certificate. The AI Specialist Certificate will test and improve your existing skills with Einstein features and Copilot Studio. It can also open up new paths to ultimately leverage Agentforce, the new Salesforce initiative. If you are interested in learning about Agentforce, comment Agentforce below and we'll make a video just for you. Well, coming back, let's talk about the Salesforce certification exam itself. The Salesforce AI Specialist exam is relatively new, but it's gaining traction fast. It's designed for those who already have a basic understanding of Salesforce and AI, but want to deep dive into how these powerhouses combine. The exam is typically 60 multiple questions and you will have 105 minutes to complete it. The passing score? Well, you are looking at about 65%, so while it's not toughest Salesforce exam out there, you need to prepare well. And if you are wondering about prerequisite, the best part is there are none. You can dive right in, but having experience with Salesforce Einstein AI tools and predictive analytics will definitely give you an edge. Let's move on to what all topics will be covered in the Salesforce certification. Shall we? Okay, let's break down the key topics you will need to master for this exam. You need to focus on these 4 major areas. The first topic is the Einstein Trust Layer, which will cover around 15% of the exam questions. You'll need to understand the foundational elements of Salesforce Einstein Trust Layer and identify its security, privacy and grounding features. For this section, you should learn how to implement and manage its maximum data protection. Generative AI in CRM applications will cover 17% of the syllabus. It is no secret that Salesforce Einstein Generative AI is transforming CRM. So for this section, the questions will test whether you can identify the right generative AI feature for sales and service based on real-life scenarios. Third one is Prompt Builder. Prompt Builder is the biggest section with 37% of weightage, covering how to effectively use Prompt Builder in business settings. To ace this section, you must understand the roles involved in managing and executing prompt templates. The fourth one is Einstein Copilot, which covers 23% of the exam questions. Copilot helps you interact with the Salesforce AI in real time. So you need to understand how the large language model LLM handles and execute Copilot actions. The questions might also ask you to create custom Copilot actions to meet specific business needs and monitor their adoption. Although the final topic, Model Builder, has only 8% weightage, it's still very important. Model Builder enables you to create custom AI models, so to ace this section, you should know when to use it and how to configure standard or custom models. Those were the key areas to focus on for Salesforce AI certification. Alright, now let's get into most awaited part, how to study for the Salesforce AI Specialist exam. First thing, I recommend going through Salesforce official learning path on Trailhead. Trailhead has modules that will walk you through everything. Another great resource is Practice Exam. There are mock tests available that stimulate the real exam experience. My third and most important tip is to stay consistent. Set a study schedule and stick to it. Also make sure you are not just cramming but actually understanding the concepts and how they apply to a Salesforce environment. So there you have it. The Salesforce AI Specialist certification is your door to become a pro at leveraging AI to drive smarter, faster, and more personalized customer experiences. If you are serious about your career in Salesforce, this certification is a must-have in 2024. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more videos that can take your Salesforce career to the next level. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.